Okay, and we learn how to interpret that as a picture if you assign this to be y. Okay, so we learn how to manipulate this and sort of interpret this. And one of the main important things is we learn how that this can be turned into this form by completing the squared. Okay, so we talked about factoring this. You know, we talked about how to find the value of x, which are called roots, so that when you plug it in here, you get 0. Right? We talked about how that means it's an x-intercept on the parabola. We talked about how you can turn it this form, which shows you where the vertex is located. And we talked about how the vertex is either the lowest point or the highest point of, right, the x and y. Okay, so we talked about that, and now we want to use this. So there are certain type of problems in real life that can be mimicked using this equation. Okay, that can be mimicked. And here's the first one. It's going to be a max or min problem. Okay, before we get into that, let's do a numerical value question. And to find the max or minimum, first of all, you look at the x squared term, and you know from that whether the parabola is going upwards or downwards. So this one is going upwards or downwards? Up or down? Up. So that means it's going to have a max or minimum? Minimum, right? So once you establish that, you complete the squared. And you know that that's going to be the minimum value when x is equal to 1, which makes this part right here 0.